So don't always believe what you see on the app.
No.
We're Mallory and Ben from That Thing You Duo.
This year we will visit over 20 states playing music along the way.
While living in our RV full time.
So click subscribe and follow along.
What's up guys? Today is day 19 of vlogging every day for 365 days. We're so glad you're here. We've made it to the TTC and we're gonna let the coin decide whether we take the monorail or the ferry. Heads for monorail and tails for ferry boat. Ready?
Yeah. Oh my god. I did actually catch it.
You got it.
Of course I did.
It is tails.
Which was?
Ferry boat.
Sorry, we're chiming back in here. We were trying to do it again, but we are taking the ferry boat.
I
just caught that.
Okay.
That was an impossible. Did we see the catch, everyone? All right, bye.
Taking the ferry boat. I didn't really want to take the ferry boat, but the coin decided the ferry boat. We officially made it to Magic Kingdom and our first order of business is
cheeseburger, egg rolls, baby.
If you can't tell already, we are very much about the food here at the parks, so we're gonna go get those egg rolls. Okay, so it looks like a lot of other people have discovered the cheeseburger egg rolls here, so it's right before you go into Adventureland at a spring roll cart. The people mover said that it was a 40-minute wait, but it's definitely not. So we just got in line and it's 11:41, so let's see how long it takes. We're on the people mover and it's 11:50. It took 9 minutes. So don't always believe what you see on the app.
No.
I've never seen a line this long for the laugh floor, y'all. Ben, are you ready to get beat?
No way.
You don't think you're gonna get beat?
Not this time.
I'm definitely winning.
Nah. Is that it?
That's it.
Oh,
Bye, buzz. I beat you.
what do you do?
I was coming to win. Stop. Why is his face like that? This is amazing. Okay, so we just hopped on the train so that we can go see the progress of Tiana's Bayou adventure. So we want to see what things are looking like.
Bayou.
So much. Okay, y'all know we had to finish off our visit with something sweet. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
10 out of 10?
Oh no.
So good. All right, guys, so we made it back in the car after Magic Kingdom. What a fun afternoon.
It was a lot of fun.
What was your favorite part?
All the snacking we did.
All this. It was pretty busy in there. There was Pirates down. Big Thunder was down. Obviously, Splash Mountain is closed. So there was just a lot of space that people couldn't go. But we still had a great afternoon, and we'll be back in just a couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I think we should do like a whole day where like the coin decides our day in the parks.
Yeah.
Ben had a private event tonight and I was able to tag along. Once we got back, we started packing up for a busy day tomorrow. Don't forget to be thankful. Bye, guys.